Greetings, dear EC members of District 323 and presidents of year 2020-21. Vanakkam, Namaskar and Suswagatam. District Chairman Usha Saraugi, Inner Wheel Club of Madras Central. Our Chairman Usha Saraugi's courage is comparable to that of a lion. Just like a lion, she has strength, wisdom, prowess, maturity, and total confidence. Along with leadership, lions show tenderness and compassion towards other members of their pride, especially young lion cub. Usha Saraugi, just as a lion, has a strong exterior and a tender interior. District Vice Chairman Kamala Selvam, Inner Wheel Club of Madras Midtown. Like a ray of sunshine, Kamala Selvam spreads warmth and happiness around. A ray of sun brings life to a dull and dreary day. She brings hope and cheer for others, like how it breaks through the clouds and rain, creating a beautiful rainbow. She takes challenges and hardships in her stride and tries to create a happy situation. Kamala Selvam is an invaluable member of the team. Association Council Member Nalini Olivanan, Inner Wheel Club of Madras North. Nalini Olivanan leads like an eagle. Fearless, tenacious, and with a vision that is big yet focused. This focused vision and the ability to get a bird's eye view of everything helps her produce big results. It's really admirable how Nalini Olivanan always sees projects through from conception to completion. District Secretary Arati Narayanan, Inner Wheel Club of Chennai Verve. Arati Narayanan is radiant like a sunflower. Sunflowers are known for being happy flowers. Sunflowers symbolize adoration, loyalty, and longevity. These flowers are unique in that they have the ability to provide energy in the form of nourishment and vibrancy. Arati Narayanan is a beautiful soul. Arasi Ponmodi, District Treasurer, Inner Wheel Club of Madras Metro. Arasi Ponmodi's character is comparable to that of steel. Steel is known for its strength and usefulness in all areas of life. Like steel, she is strong in all situations. She adapts to and efficiently completes the various roles given to her. District Extension Service Organizer PDC Vasumati Marimuthu, Inner Wheel Club of Madras Cosmos. PDC Vasumati Marimuthu guides like a lighthouse rather than a lifeboat. She does not rescue, but instead helps others find their own way to the shore, guiding them by example. It's amazing how PDC Vasumati Marimuthu always helps new members get up to speed. Devi Matimaran, District International Service Organizer, Inner Wheel Club of Nanganallur. Just as a river, Devi moves along, accepting and embracing change. Just as a river cuts through a rock due to its persistence and not its strength, Devi accomplishes everything that is given to her. Fatima Nazira, District Editor, Inner Wheel Club of Madras North. Fatima Nazira is focused like a laser beam. Focusing like a laser beam is the highest level of focus. Fatima's ability to focus improves results, efficiency, and satisfaction. Her targets are clear and compelling. She concentrates her attention and energy, spending time optimally for goal attainment. Fatima's target setting is commendable. District CCCC Chairman PDC Seema Bhargav, Innervale Club of Madras. I would equate Seema Bhargav's wisdom to that of the sun. The veteran of our district, she is energetic, motivating, creative, active, and transformative, just like the sun. The sun is knowledge filled with light, love, and wisdom. Seema Bhargav brings with her a feeling of being alive, bringing new light every day. Actions speak louder than words, and PDC Seema Bhargav tells an incredible story. Special Project Coordinator Supriya Sundara Raman, IWC of Madras Central. She is like the anchor to the ship. Supriya Sundara Raman is one of the most stable and grounded leaders I know. She anchors her team and helps them hold ground when turbulent waves come crashing down. It's amazing how Supriya Sundara Raman is always available to overcome any obstacle thrown her way. Main Project Coordinator PDC Padmapreeta Sumant, Innervale Club of Madras Cosmos. PDC Padmapreeta Sumant is sparkling like the marigold flower. Padmapreeta is blessed with a bright personality, always brings new ideas and fresh perspectives to the table. She voices her opinion and concerns in the gentlest manner, without criticism. Padmapreeta always spreads warmth and happiness wherever she goes.